Morning student. Today the new topic sequence and series. Sequence and series. Okay? Sequence. You already study in the 10th class AP, arithmetic progression as well as a sequence. Arithmetic progression. Short name AP is called a sequence. Okay, new sequence also GP you already studied in this chapter. Okay, so now start first AP, first topic AP, arithmetic progression. So first arithmetic progression A1, A2, AN are sequence. are in AP. Are in AP. So A1, A2, A3 are terms. These are terms. So on. Okay. A1, A2, A3 are dot on AN are terms of sequence is called a AP. Clear? So A1, A2, A3 are terms, but in the form of is given is called a sequence. Our sequence name is AP. AP common difference. AP have common difference. Common difference is denoted by D are equal, and difference means second term minus first term equal third term minus second term, so on. This is a common difference. The sequence have common difference is called a AP, otherwise not AP, that is a series. Okay. Next, A is a first term. First number is also a first term. First term. We already studied in the 10th class. Okay. So no waste of time. And the next we will take question number 1. Question number 1 of exercise 9.1. Okay. So now AN. AN means N plus 2. AN means last term. This is a nth term. Nth term or last term. This series is a final series. The final series n term. Nth term or last term is denoted by A, this n, small n, right? So find first 5 terms. So n equal to 1. Putting n equal to 1. So this is a first term. A1. This putting 1. 1 plus 2. 1 into 3 equal to 3. Right? N equal to 2, second term. A2, 2 into 2 plus 2, 2 into 4, 8. N equal to 3, third term. A3, 3 into 3 plus 2, 3 into 5, 15. N equal to 4, A4, 4 into 4 plus 2, 4 into 6, 24. N equal to 5th, A5th, 5 plus 2, 5 into 7, 35. Okay. So write the 5 first term of each of the sequence in this way. So this is a term. This is 5. This is not in AP. This sequence not in AP. Okay. This is not AP. But only find this is sequence. Sequence the form. So this is a term. Not in AP. Because the difference are not equal. Okay. So this is a sequence. And question number the same type, question number 3. Can you find? No? This 2 raised to n. The same n1, 2 raised to 1 equal to 2. A2, 2 raised to 2, 2 are 4, means 2 raised to 2. Okay, the same. A3, 2 raised to 3. A4, 2 raised to 4. A5, 2 raised to 5. Means 8, 16 and 32. These are not AP. This is also GP. Okay, not AP. These are GP. So GP already explained in next exercise. Okay, so this is sequence, but only 5. Can you solve this question? And find the indicating term in each of the sequence in 7 to 10. Find nth term are given. Nth term given and indicated already find in each of the exercise. Next. Question number 7. An equal to 4n minus 3, but a17th, comma a24th. Find a17th and 24th. So no problem. Nth term is given, but nth term is given, so you can find directly the 17. N equal to 17. Okay, n equal to 17. So then putting directly n equal to 17. So this is 17. 4 into 17 minus 3. Or find 68 minus 3, this 65. Okay, and n equal to 24, so a24, this 4 into 24 minus 3, 96, 96 minus 3, this is 93, that your answer. Okay, can you solve this question? No any problem. Okay, can you solve now? Yes. Okay, right, next question. Write the first term of each of the sequence of exercise given. Write the first 5 term. First 5 term. 5 terms. 11. Now let question 11. A1 equal to 3. And an equal to 3n an minus 1 plus 2. For all n is greater than 1. This is a new type question, okay, for you. A1 means first term is given. First term is given. An means last term already given. So for find n is greater than 1. Not equal. N is not equal to 1, but n is greater than 1. So 1 means n use of n 2, 3, 4, 5, not 1. Okay, 1 already given. On find first, only first 5 term. The first term. First term already given. This is given. Next, second next 9. First term is given, okay. Second term means A2 3 A3 minus 1 plus 2 will be equal to 3A2 plus 2 plus 2. So A1 is given. A1 is, sorry, A2 है ना, तो हाँ right. A2 3 into 2 minus 1, right? 2 minus 1, this one, clear? This second term, so A2, n equal to 2, so 3 into A2 minus 1 plus 2. This is in first term plus this equal to 3 A1 is given 3 plus 2. 3 3s are 9 plus 2 equal 11. Same, n equal to 3, third term. A3, 3A3 minus 1 plus 2 will be equal to 3A3 minus 1, 2 plus 2. And 3, A2 is also 11, okay, plus 2. 11 3s are 33 plus 2, 35. And fourth term, A4, 3 into A4 minus 1 plus 2 equal to 3A3 plus 2. 3A3 is also fine, above plus 2. 35 70 105 plus 2 equal to 107. Okay. And fifth term, A5, 3 into A5 minus 1 plus 2. This will be equal to 3 into this fourth term plus 2 will be equal to 3 multiplied. Fourth term is 107 plus 2 equal, multiply 3 7s are 27, 3 1s are 3 plus 2. This will be equal to 329. Your answer. Okay. Fifth term is clear. Same question. 11, 12, 13 are same. Okay. And 14 is also same. But 14, this name is Fibonacci sequence. The Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci sequence as well as all given these questions. Okay, 11 to 13. Define that. बट क्या डबल, यहाँ सिंगल दे रखा है, आगे इसमें डबल टर्म्स दे रखे हैं. एंड देन आर फाइंड अदर नेक्स्ट टर्म. फर्स्ट A1 इक्वल टू A2 आर सेम वैल्यू. देखो है ना, A1 एंड A2 इक्वल टू फर्स्ट टर्म और सेकेंड टर्म आर सेम 1. बट nth term n condition is given, an equal to n minus 1 plus an minus 2, but n is greater than 2. n is greater than 2, not 1. 1 and 2 already given, तो but 1 और 2 already है, तो greater than 2 मीन्स नेक्स्ट टर्म ही आएंगे. तो ये आपको फाइंड करना है. कितने 5 टर्म्स फाइंड करना है. तो 5 टर्म नेक्स्ट 5 टर्म. तो नेक्स्ट 5 1 and 1 इज ऑल्सो गिवन फर्स्ट टर्म, और वैल्यू पुट करके फाइंड कर लो. ऑलरेडी पहले फाइंड करना पड़ेगा आपको नेक्स्ट वैल्यू से. एंड फॉर्मूला इज गिवन, फाइंड an plus 1 upon an, but n equal to 1 2 3 4 and 5. Clear? So n equal to 1, find this value and putting in this sequence. 1, if n equal to 1, so this value a1 plus 1 upon a1 means a2 upon a1. Clear? एंड नेक्स्ट आएगा a2 अपॉन a3. तो वैल्यू तो हमें पता होनी चाहिए. तो a2 अपॉन a2 और a1 इज गिवन, तो a2 की वैल्यू क्या है 1 अपॉन 1 इक्वल टू 1. फर्स्ट आंसर तो आपका ये हो गया. अब नेक्स्ट है 3, तो आप इसकी हेल्प से निकालोगे. फाइंड दिस वैल्यू एंड देन आफ्टर पुटिंग इन दिस फंक्शन. ओके, an प्लस दिस टाइप, ये इंपॉर्टेंट और कुछ नहीं है. ये दिस इज द नेम ऑफ फिबोनाची सीक्वेंस. an equal to an minus 1 plus an minus 2, a1 a2 equal to 1. Okay, so an is greater than, I think greater than 2. Clear? So you can find कर लो. greater than 2 तो use 3, 2 और 1 तो given, तो 3 आएगा. 3 a3 minus 1 a3 minus 2, तो a3 माइनस मीन्स a2 और एंड दिस a1, और और a2 a1 इज ऑल्सो गिवन 1 + 1 = 2। ऐसे ही सेम a5 की जरूरत पड़ेगी आगे तो निकाल के पहले पुट कर लो। a5 - 1 और a5 - 2 a4 + a3 तो 4 3 4 रखना चाहिए ना मुझे, 4 3 है तो 4 आएगा, 4 और 4 - 1 और 4 - 2 तो दिस 3 और ये 2 आएगा। तो a3 की वैल्यू आपने निकाल ली 2 और वैसी 1 तो दिस आंसर 3। a5 तो ये हो जाएगा a4 ऐसे ही a3 सिमिलरली तो 3 + 2 = 5। a6 दिस वैल्यू a5 + a4 और a5 already 5 this 5 and 4 is 3 = 8। ओके a7 a6 हो जाएगा और दिस a5 हो जाएगी। तो 6 वैल्यू क्या है 8 और 5 = 5 13। ओके इसमें हो जाएगा कंडीशन। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज गिवन कि an + 1/an 1 is given for this n = 1 to 5 for this condition। okay so a2 1 is also clear तो 1 n = 2 this 2 the 2 + 1/2 means a3/a2 a3 and this find a3 is 2 a3 is 2 right or a2 is also 1 so this is answer 2 and a3 सेकेंड टर्म हो गई है ना, सॉरी ये थर्ड टर्म n = 3 पुट करना है तो 3/a3 2 is given 2 से 3 हो गया 2 + 1 और दिस 3 + 1 तो a4 आएगा अपॉन a3 सो दिस इज a4 ऑलरेडी फाइंड a4 देखो a4 कितना है 3 और a3 कितना है आपका 2 दिस इज राइट एंड n = 4 इन फोर्थ टर्म a4 + 1/a4 दिस a4 + 1 फिफ्थ टर्म हो जाएगा और ये a4 टर्म होगा एंड फिफ्थ टर्म इज 5 एंड दिस फोर्थ इज 3 दिस राइट एंड n = 5 यानी फिफ्थ टर्म a5 + 1/a5 दिस 5 क्या हो जाएगा 6 दिस a5 now 6th term is 8 और 5th term is 5 ये this answer this is the answer of first already given in first page okay complete your exercise if any doubt you can ask to me very simple exercise next means tomorrow solve the arithmetic progression sum of the n term of AP okay you already study in the 10th class the sum of n term of AP for sum of n term of AP some point in means some question are different from 10th base okay thank you complete exercise